Tracy Reed here today, coming at you with an unboxing of my Fall Fever line that I designed for Echo Park. It hit my desk this weekend, so I thought I would do an unboxing before I dove in. As you can see, it's a very large line. We have all kinds of papers and chipboard and brads and stamps and stencils and dies and oh my gosh, so much. So this is going to be a long video, worth it though, because look at how adorable this is. Fall is definitely my favorite time of year to design for, so when Echo Park asked me for a fall line, I was of course incredibly excited. I'm going to put all this aside so we can start with the papers. So there is a set of solid papers that I won't bother unboxing, but you can see there's orange, green, brown, red, yellow, and that beautiful sort of cornflower denim blue. It's not a blue that you see very often in a fall line. And you know me, I'm all about color, playing with color and switching things up and making things different than what you would expect. So you're going to see a lot of that beautiful blue in this line. So let's start. This is the collection kit. It comes with 12 by 12 double-sided papers and a 12 by 12 elements sticker. 4 of the papers are of course cut aparts journal cards. You can see this beautiful palette. I love the rich red as well. A lot of times the reds are sort of muted in fall collections, but not in this gorgeous collection. So here is the floral with the fun little acorns thrown in to make it fallish, of course. You know I can't do anything without a very large floral because I love flowers so much. So here is a red gingham. It's a buffalo plaid gingham style paper. Such a beautiful deep red. Here is the first journal card paper, which is the 3x4. So we have Hello Pumpkin. There's so much to be grateful for. Oh my, pass the pie. So I wanted the collection to be fall, obviously, but also I wanted it to be very, not adult, but a little bit more grown up than your standard fall collection that's sort of farmy and geared for kids and pumpkin patches. So this one has more of a gratitude vibe to it, as well as like a fall farmhouse vibe. So we've got like the wooden signs as well. Hunter boots. Oh my gourd, I love fall. And on the other side is a cute little tiny floral, sort of a calico style floral. Here is the, of course, you have to have it, leaf paper. We also have this really light blue in the collection too. It's not used quite as much as the dark blue, but it is there because you have to have 2 versions of the same color because that's just how I roll. Here is a sort of wonky orange plaid. Kind of reminds me of a tablecloth that you would put down for Thanksgiving. Gourds and pumpkins, of course. Oh my gourd. I love the vines on this page, how they connect to all the other pumpkins and gourds. On the other side, you have to have a wood grain. Then we have second cut apart. So this one has 3 vertical 4x6s. You had me at pumpkin spice, but I think I love fall most of all. Hello pumpkin, give thanks and eat pie, just cozy vibes, happy harvest, so blessed, gobble till you wobble. So you can see those are all signs. You can hear my puppy. She is dreaming, so I apologize. Here is some tea. Fall, sweet fall, give thanks, autumn stories. So these are all horizontal 3x4s. And we have sunflowers on the back. I know that sunflowers can be kind of summery, but I really think that they transition into fall really well. So we have this beautiful green and yellow sunflower paper. Another leaf paper. This time we have patterned leaves. They all have that buffalo plaid on them, so they're a little bit different, a little bit fun. Plus signs on that gorgeous cornflower denim blue. Pumpkins, patterned pumpkins. We have to have matching pumpkins. So cute. On the other side is a teeny tiny leaf. Lots of leaves in this collection. Here are the 4x6s. So we have the house. We have hay rides, old-fashioned farm fun, with you, I am home, autumn, the year's last loveliest smile, making fall memories, and autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. Leaves on the back, all the leaves. So any kind of version of leaves that you could possibly want. Oh, this plaid is so gorgeous. Look at how beautiful it is with that blue in there. Oh, I just want to wear it. Like, I want it in a flannel. Yellow tiny plus signs. Wreaths. You can see we've got all the colors in there. And then another plaid. This one is red. And the 4x4 cut aparts. Piles of smiles. Gather here with grateful hearts. Home sweet home. Farm fresh pumpkins. Welcome fall. 2 journal cards. Pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Falling leaves, apple picking, hot cocoa, pick your own, hay rides, hot cider, pumpkin pie. It's fall, y'all. Aw, look at the cute little tractors. Happy harvest, hello pumpkin. And then we've got all of these beautiful, I don't know if you remember, but last year for fall, I was drawing foods for Drawtober. And so a lot of these foods came from that. We've got gourds, we've got baskets of apples. I can't even pick it up. Gather around the table, flavors of fall. We've got pies, mushrooms, tea bags, teacup, slices of pie, apple cider, of course, the coffee cup, just tons and tons of cute icons, and another beautiful plaid. Last but not least in the collection kit is the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we've got 2 borders on the bottom. One is a scallop and one is pumpkins. Then we've got all the icons, beautiful houses and trees and wreaths. I love this decor down here as well. So, so cute. So that is the collection kit. Let's start looking at the embellishments. So let's start with the chipboard since it's easiest to look at. We've got 2 different sets of chipboard. We've got accents and phrases. So there's 3 different titles among both. So we've got autumn, gather, family. Then there are signs and all kinds of cute little icons that are like, they have words on them, but they're like in shapes so that they're easy to use. Leaves over here. And then on this side, we have the actual icons. So we've got a rake with leaves and pie, apple pie, that cute bench again. Super fun. Oh, I love it. I love seeing my stuff when it's all done and on my desk because there's just no other feeling than seeing it all printed and ready to go. So here are the Brads and Puffy stickers. So the Puffy stickers have tons of tiny little leaves and trees and signs again. And then the Brads, just so cute. All right, what else we got here? Oh, of course we have enamel dots that don't want to come down. Enamel dots. We've got 3 different dies. Let's look at those. 1, 2, where's the other one? Oh, 4 different dies, my bad. There are 4 different dies. So this one is a sunflower or daisy looking up. The 3 different leaves. This one has build your own mushrooms, squash, and acorn. And then pumpkins. So those come in different layers as well. How cute. 3 different stencils. So the floral or a floral, plus signs, and leaves. Then there are 2 different stamp sets. So we've got, this one has words like the beauty of fall, family, the official start of snuggle season, get cozy, home sweet home on the sign, pick of the patch, and then we have apples, flowers, leaves, pumpkins, tree, mushrooms, squash. On this one, leaves are falling and autumn is calling, friends and family gather here. We've got the love you pumpkin, tractor, pumpkins, leaves, and the wreath. All right, next is the ephemera die cuts. There are 34 pieces in the ephemera die cuts. Let's start with the littlest one. So we've got this mushroom, fall sweet fall, pumpkin spice season. Little pumpkin, patterned leaves, beauty fall, life is sweet, you're the apple of my eye, so lovely, pick of the patch, oh my, it's time for pie. Anybody else love pie? I love pumpkin pie, but only once a year. Welcome fall. Gather together. You pick pumpkins. Leaves are falling and autumn is calling. Fall. I'm so glad we live in a world where there are Octobers. A little sign that says apples or pumpkins. Simply gorgeous. So good to be home. Official start of snuggle season, which is actually its own little, and then we have a frame. Another one. So grateful, so very grateful for today. Yeah. And then another frame. The magic of fall. Love you, pumpkin. Apples. Friends and family gather here. Cozy. Thankful, grateful, blessed, and pumpkin spice obsessed. Gather here with grateful hearts. I made all of these so that they had that wood border on the inside, so that's kind of fun. And boots. The second set of die cuts are the frames and tags. There are 34 pieces here as well. So we have family, baked with love. You pick pumpkins, another frame. Little scalloped frame. I love fall. Gather. Every year I fall for pumpkins, bonfires, s'mores, autumn leaves, and you. Tag. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. Blessings. Happy fall. Oh my gourd. Another tag. Home is wherever I'm with you. Simply amazing. Gotta have those puns in there. Memories. Pumpkin. Orchard fresh. Hay rides. Acorn. Little tiny, tiny things. This says fuzzy sock season. So grateful. Leaf piles, you rake, you jump. Yeah. Another little mushroom. Boot and scarf season. Autumn spiced hot cider served here. Get lost in a good book. Hooray for sweater weather. Welcome to our patch. And traditions. So those are all of the ephemera frames and tags, die cut frames and tags. Lastly, we've got 3 rolls of washi tape and 2 different paper pads. So here are the washi tapes. We have a floral and the orange plaid. Oh, you can't really see that one. Let's see. There we go. Orange plaid and leaves, of course. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, there's 2 different paper pads. There is the mega pad and the regular paper pad. The regular paper pad has 24 papers in it, double-sided, and the mega paper pad has 48. There we go. So they are smaller versions of the other papers. They also have journal cards in them. So I think I love fall most of all. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. They are 6 by 6, so they are scaled down. Oh, cute. I don't put these together, so I get to see them with you. I like how they rearrange the cards sometimes. It's fun. Home Sweet Home, Pumpkin Kisses, and Harvest Wishes. Gather here with grateful hearts. And then I believe they start repeating. Oh, I don't think so. Autumn, the year's last loveliest smile. Making fall memories. These are a fun size. Oh, yep, here we go. Here's the floral again. And they start repeating. So you get 2 copies of 12. And then the mega paper pad is similar but different. You can see it has some different papers in it. Some of the same too. Oof. Great for card making and smaller scrapbooking sizes. I like to use 6 by 6 paper pads, 6 by 8 paper pads for my Life Crafted albums. You Had Me at Pumpkin Spice, Home, Sweater Weather, Oh My, Pass the Pie. So the cards are different, some of the papers are different, some of them are the same. Just depends on how many papers you need. Ooh, look at all the little tiny 2 by 2s. Ooh, love that plaid. It's probably my favorite paper. Wait, skipped one. Definitely skipped one. There we go. There's so much to be grateful for. Ooh, you get a nice solid paper in that one. Ooh, lots of solid papers. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, brown, and word bits. Cute, cute, cute. And then it starts over. So you get probably 4 copies if there's 48. Yep, 4 copies of each. Is it 4 or 3? I mean, the math says 4, but I only see 3. Oh well. You get multiple copies. 48 double-sided papers. Okay, 48 divided by 3? I don't know. But lots and lots of papers. So that is the Fall Fever collection that I designed for Echo Park Paper. It is available wherever Echo Park is sold. You can get it online, probably at A Cherry on Top and scrapbook.com. But if you have the option, go and support your local scrapbook store. If you want to support my local scrapbook store, it's called Scrappin' in the City. You can order it from them. She is amazing and would appreciate your business. All right. I will see you next time. Tell me what you think in the description box below. Bye!